Hello students, welcome to Easy Study. In this video, we will see chapter 4 altitudes and median of a triangle. So first we will see what is meant by altitude. Altitude means a perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on a side opposite to it is called as an altitude of a triangle. Suppose there is one triangle and if we take any vertex means all these 3 points are three vertices. So from any vertex if we draw a perpendicular on the opposite side, then this line is called as this side is called as altitude of that triangle. Means in triangle ABC, from point A on line on side BC we have drawn a perpendicular, that is AP. So AP is the altitude on the base BC. Okay, so we will see by an example. So suppose I have drawn one triangle and I have named it as triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC, if I draw a perpendicular from point A on side BC, so with the help of this set square I am now drawing one perpendicular on side BC. Okay, so this is perpendicular. Now I have named at point M. So now AM is altitude on base BC. AM is an altitude on which side? BC, and it is on BC, that's why it is called as base. Okay, so you have already known that what is meant by altitude. Now we will see one property of altitude. So how many altitudes maximum number can be drawn in one triangle? There are three vertices. So from these three vertices we can draw three perpendicular on opposite sides. So means we can draw maximum 3 altitude in one triangle. Okay, so we will try. From point B we can draw a perpendicular on side AC. So we will try it. So I hold set square like this and I have adjusted in such a manner that line AC is touching one side and point B is touching on another side of that set square. Now I have drawn a perpendicular. Okay, so this point we will name as N. Now BN is altitude on base AC. Okay, now third point is remaining, that is third vertex, point C. So again on side AB So one side on vertex C and another side on side AB, that is point, let it consider point O. Now CO is altitude on base AB. So maximum number of altitude can be drawn 3 in one triangle. So we will see that if we draw all the 3 altitudes in a triangle, they meet at single point. Let it name as P, that CP is an altitude on base AB. So BN is altitude on base AC, AM is altitude on base BC, and CP is altitude on base AB. So they meet at one point, means the altitude, all 3 altitudes meet in a single point in a triangle. So this point, let we consider this point as point O. Now that O is the point, means they meet at one point, so that point is called as orthocenter. Orthocenter means, what is meant by orthocenter? The point where all the altitudes meet in a triangle. Okay, so meet means concurrence. We can call this at point of concurrence because they meet at this point. So the point of concurrence of all 3 altitudes in a triangle is called as orthocenter. So point O is orthocenter. Okay, where altitude meets, that is orthocenter. Okay, so what type of triangle it is? Acute, obtuse, or right? So it is acute angle triangle. Okay, so this is acute angle. Now we will see in all 3 types, means acute, obtuse, or right, the point of concurrence means orthocenter is there or not. So next example we will take such as right angle triangle. Okay, now we will draw second type of triangle, that is right angle triangle. Now this is a right angle triangle and I have drawn it with the help of set square. So this is 90 degrees. Suppose its name is PQR. Okay, so in this triangle we will draw all 3 altitudes from point Q on side PR. We will try to draw altitude. Okay, let it is point QM. Another from point P on side QR, we will try to draw a perpendicular, but we know that already point, means line PQ is perpendicular on QR. So this is another point, means this is altitude. Now third, from point R on point P, we will try to draw the altitude. So from point R on side PQ, so Q is the point where all the altitudes can be drawn. Means RQ is altitude on PQ. So here QM is altitude on side PR. PQ is an altitude on side QR, and RQ is an altitude. RQ is an altitude on side RQ on side PQ, means these are base. So we can see that Q is the orthocenter, means point Q is orthocenter in triangle PQR. Means if there is right angle triangle, then the right angled point where the angle is 90 degree, that is orthocenter of that triangle. Okay, now we will see third type of triangle, that is obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle we will see what will happen. Suppose A, B, C. So triangle ABC is obtuse angle triangles, means in obtuse angle triangle one angle is more than 90 degree. So we will try to draw perpendicular. First we will see from point B, from vertex B to the opposite side. So one side of set square on point B and another is on the base AC. Let it point M. Then from point A on side BC, so we will try to draw. So we can't draw, so we have to extend that side CB. Means if we can't draw, we can extend side BC. Okay, now we will try. So from point A on side BC, this is altitude point N. Then from point C on base AB. So again we can't draw, so we have to extend this line. Okay, now it is extended. Now from point C, okay, so let it point P. So we can see that we cannot join the altitude. Are they are joining? No. So we have to extend them. So let we extend them. So I have extended AN. Now MB. Now CP. So after extending, these are intersecting, means these are meeting at a point that is outside the triangle. So let it point O, means maximum times we can write O for orthocenter. That's why I given another names here. So in obtuse angle triangle we have drawn this triangle only, and these are all the extended sides. So orthocenter is outside of the triangle but they are meeting. Okay, so in obtuse angle triangle orthocenter is outside of that triangle. In right angle triangle the orthocenter is the right angle part is point, and in acute angle triangle the orthocenter is inside the triangle. So these are the three types of triangle, and we can draw all the altitudes and they meet at one single point. So this is one property of that orthocenter. The what we have known now, the orthocenter of right angle triangle is the vertex of right angle triangle. Orthocenter is vertex of right angle. Orthocenter in obtuse angle triangle is exterior of the triangle. This is outside the triangle. So that's why in obtuse it is exterior. And orthocenter in acute angle triangle is interior. Means this is interior in acute angle. This is vertex, that is right angle vertex. And in obtuse this is exterior. Exterior means outside the triangle. Okay. After that we will see median. Median we will see in another video. Okay, if you like the video then subscribe the channel and like the video and share to your friends. Okay, bye.